So spanning tree, oops, let me keep that in there. Spanning tree, making one simple change by just changing the cost value on the right hand side between switch 1 and switch 3, just changing the cost to something lower. It said, well, now that is going to be the I'm going to do a re-election, and I'm going to reassign ports differently. And it blocked where the higher cost path to root bridge, it made those ports blocked. So one change. All right, not a problem. Let's continue. Now, in the book, the next thing that I want you to do, right? I got my little eraser here. The next thing that I want you to do, here's just showing you. This is just verification command, all right, for you to look at. They're doing root primary, root secondary, which I'm not doing. Now it says here, modifying span tree ports and block ports and switch locations. It shows you how the span tree works, right? Again, what we did, 4 plus 4 is 8, and all that good stuff. You see here, the cost is 4. Here, the cost is going to be 8. Okay, so don't worry about that. What we need to do now is the following. It says, example 3-4 demonstrates the modification. Oh, you can't see that. Sorry. And let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see a little better. It says here, example 3-4 demonstrates modification on switch 3 port cost, a cost of 1, right? So we changed the port cost of 1, and you saw what happened. Right, the blocking ports change. Now, on example 3-5, all right, what we're going to do is verify these changes. Make switch 5 G04 the root port towards switch 4. So what do we do? How do we do that? Well, let's shut down. Let me get the highlighter. What we want to do is shut down the link between switch 3 and switch 5. Shut it down. So we're going to shut down the link. So the first thing that we did was we just changed the cost value. Great. Does the re-election. Now we know that it's going to reassign ports because of the cost path, some to block, some to designate forwarding. All right, now we're going to keep modifying, but now we're going to take some drastic measure. Something must have happened, all right? And that port went